this video is we continue from last one. So I put this as a continue. So it's still in this custom animation. So in the last video is we found the arrow is missing latex installed because this was our new PC. So after that is I have checked our Windows installation guide. From here, there's a multiple way to install the LaTeX. So you can use the Chrome, you can the Choco, you can use this scoop or manually. Until now, I should glad to update you is in the mind map is I put two. These additional things to add some error message. So error message, I think sometimes is not a bad thing. It means this way you try and at least for some reasons it's not a success. So directly using the Choco to install Manim hyphen latex, I got error message. This error message is talk is I have some file conflict and locking. Even I put that into the local administrator is not fix this one. So I think is that this is are not our working way in my Windows 11. Then I try to install Scoop. So if you don't have a Scoop in your PC, you can go to the Scoop site here, and then this they have using the PowerShell and run these two command they publish in the website. Then you can have the Scoop install. So install Scoop is no problem to me. But again, is I got the error is when I try to install this tiny text. And I tried multiple times to download the tiny text from the GitHub. It's also not success. I don't know is whether their release file has any issues, but most of the time it's a stop as the last 20 or 30 meg. The finally is I found is also mentioned in the this reference guide is back to this Choco using this MIC tags. So that is I'm happy to see is finally is working. So now with that is let's try to back to our code. So this video is not our long video, so I hope is just have a look is for the our code is then let's back to the tutorial and these tutorials and building block. That is our the contents and moving to the bottom. So we have this after runtime, we have this one. So custom. So we still wanted to understand this the reasons those things is we have this alpha. Alpha we mentioned is starting from 0 to 1. If that is half, then that is depending on your range will be in the middle. So let's just try to run that again. So I hope is this time is can be compiled. I haven't run this. It's still those wrong creation. So, but let's see. So now you can see it's not popping up the latex arrow anymore. So they got this media tags, so they can use that. And the major issue so far, no MIC tags administrator has checked for update. So that is fine. I think it's here. I see the keep generating the videos. Then that will be those are the I think is yeah the 3 video. I hope is they come to here. That is popping up. Yeah, you can see the 100. So let me just make 0, 100. So why we I don't have this same is I think is we didn't put all code here. So I think it's we just put a number. So number is this one, and let's give a color. Set color white dot scale 5. So that make your font is bigger, lambda number move to. So let's see which are the change part. Weight 0 to 1, linear. So font rate font equal to linear. So that is also correct. So this one, let me see. So which one has any issues? I didn't get any error. That is the perfect for now. So let me see here. So counting scene. So let's run that again.